under this living room. It overhangs about 20 inches out, and it gets really cold in the winter time, cold and drafty, and I will show you why that is. Yep, that's why it is. There's huge big gaps, and I think the pieces fell off from the ends. Other end, the same situation like this. And stay with me if you wanna see how I solve this problem. This is a 100+ years old house, guys, which is very common where I live. These old houses needs lots of TLC. Obviously, in time they get old, so I see some insulation, but very loose. You know, I see all the holes and gaps. Air is coming in from every direction, obviously. So this is a huge energy loss. A couple of days ago it was cold, about 40, so I went ahead and bought this thermometer from a hardware store to measure the floor temperature. It's a small gadget. I didn't pay much, I guess about 20 bucks, but I think it's all worth it. You'll see soon. So it's easy to use. I'm just gonna check the wall, see how 63. Let's test the floor now, see what the difference between overhang and the inside the room. So overhang is about 53, 52, 53, somewhere around 52, 53. So as I go inside it gets higher. As you see, a 57, I think it was 57.8, almost 58 degrees. So difference is 6 degrees. It's a lot, guys. So when I saw that, I decided to, before the winter hits, insulate the underneath the cantilever. So it's a beautiful day today. Finally little break from a cold, so I'm gonna just go ahead and tackle this project. Now I'm going to use Reflectix insulation material, foil tape, stapler gun, and scissors. There are two ways to approach this issue. Right way is to just rip out everything and redo it again, which is costly and time consuming. Or you can do what I'm about to do today, that is practical, cheaper, and much faster. This is going to be an experiment for me as well. I have never used this product before, so I'm going to be testing it during this winter time and update you in the spring. This product has different R values, R7, R21, R19. It depends on how you apply it. R value means resistance to heat flow, so higher the value, better it is, the insulation. I have here a 16-inch by 25 feet long roll. As you see, it's got two aluminum foil type of material, and in between two layers of bubbles, providing layers of air. Air is being a good insulator. I will use my stapler gun to staple the material. So first I have to clean this insulation foam that is coming out from that window, which was recently installed. I haven't put the moldings around it yet, but I'll get to that. So I'm gonna clean this up and then start working on it. I'm planning to use only one layer for the beginning. I can always come back and put another layer. Actually it's gonna overlay in the middle, two layers in the middle, one on both ends. So we'll see how much it's gonna make a difference. You know, I can always come back and put the second coat or layer. In order to increase the R value, you're supposed to put some leave some air gap in between two layers, so that provides a higher value, R value. But in my case I don't have that option here, so if I do put the second layer I won't have any air gaps. For example, right here it shows you can improve the R value up to R21 by using two layers between joists, capturing the air in between the material, which creates a good insulation. As you see, it's not that hard to use this product. I'm just stapling it. I change my staples, run out of it. So one roll of this material, 16 by 25 feet long, cost me about $12. I got it from Amazon, but they do have it at, I think, Home Depot. I've seen it once. So I'm using only one roll, which means actually under, well, including the foil tape. Foil tape costs, I can't remember, I had it at home, but it's not that much, maybe $5, less than 10, I'm sure. So total of what, $20. And if this work out, it's amazing, guys. For $20 you get the whole thing insulated. I would love that. So this gives me an idea to I have a very cold wall, interior wall, on the second floor, so I might try to use this product. I know it look ugly, so it will be weird, but I'm gonna maybe try to maybe put a wallpaper over. I'm not sure, so I might do that and watch for that video if I do, so you can see if that works out. So that will be awesome, huh? Interior without, you know, disturbing any wall, nothing, and it's a good price, so why not? I will try. If it doesn't work out, I can also always, you know, rip it out and patch the holes, whatever. So we'll see. Let me think about that project now. But before I, you know, go ahead and do it, I'll definitely check if this is gonna work out. So I have to test if it's gonna improve the temperature of the floor, which we will see shortly, hopefully, once this is done, and then we go inside and then test the floors. But that has to be some other day because I need to wait until it gets cold again. Today is 60 degrees. It, you know, it won't make any, it won't mean anything. So I'm done with laying the whole thing. Now I have to put the tape. Here is a hole. I need to cover that up. Also this edge. So foil tape will cover it up, and hopefully it will hold up, because I'm worried it won't be sticking to the concrete. So we'll see. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to come back and put like a little trim to hold it down. We'll see. So I've bent this to so it can be applied easily to the corner. It's very easy. You just peel the backing of the aluminum foil tape and just stick it. It's quite a sticky material. It does stick well to the our insulation aluminum, you know, but then I'm not sure about the wall. So far it is sticking to the concrete. That's the good news. Hopefully it will hold up. So this has been an easy DIY job. It's actually anyone can do it. You don't need to know anything about anything. It took me about 2 hours, but I did take some breaks in between. I didn't work straight 2 hours. There it is. I'm done. Finish. Now all I have to do is wait for a couple of days for the cold weather to arrive back again, which normally I don't look forward to, but this time I do. I do want to see the difference. Here is before, how it was, and after. Looks good. Now I want to show you some cool trick. This is my magnets stick. So I'm going to pick up all those loose staples so it won't poke my dog's paws. Here, how it picks up. You can pick up nails too. That's what I usually use at our job sites. Once we are done, I clean up the area with this. Finally, we have a cold day. It's about 45 degrees outside. I can't wait to test this now. Let's see what happened. On the left corner top is the old measurement. So, wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow, big difference. Big difference. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to use this product again for sure. So I am also liking this little gadget. This is so useful. I got it from Home Depot, but I think they have similar ones on Amazon. So I'm gonna leave some links in the description below, all the products I used. So with this you can check all the air leaks in your house, you know, around the windows, walls, or wherever you feel it's cold. So it's very useful. I recommend you guys to get one of these if you're trying to diagnose where the cold weather is coming into your house. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye.